Morning folks, look at that. That is green grass and blue sky. And if you watch any of my videos, you'll know that that's fairly unique, because I'm in North Yorkshire, in Harrogate, and let's be honest, it's a bit grey and rainy quite regularly. But today I have a few seconds to share my top tip for my garden chat channel, which is part of Garden Love, which is my new little playlist. So if you haven't subscribed to my playlist, please do, and I'll gibber away and tell you what I know about things. So here's the thing today. One of the things that really kind of is very obvious to me, particularly with gardens and high density kind of landscapes, is quite often you have trees that struggle to have grass underneath them. Now the trick is basically that, in my opinion, growing grass underneath trees is really difficult. So the best thing to do is to put a tree ring around it. Now what that means is, underneath the tree canopy there's probably an area of say 1, 2 or 3 meters for most standard residential trees, where the grass fails, and it regularly fails, and it just becomes a patch of mud. So the trick is, if you get an edging iron and a spade and you do a circle around the base of the tree, dig away all the grass, and basically then just chip away at the soil just to loosen it up a bit. The next trick is use your compost that you're going to basically build from the compost area that you're going to make from your leaf fall from the tree, and what you do is you mulch the tree ring. So that's what you do, and it looks quite decorative once you've got it nailed. So the process is basically, this autumn, this fall, collect all your leaf fall, compost it down, then in kind of like early, say, February, tidy up the area underneath the tree, get the edging iron and put a tree ring underneath it, so a circle of ground where you dig out all the grass and it's just bare soil, and then basically use your compost to dress it off. And if you want to do something more jazzy with it, get some coloured compost or some coloured bark or something sort of more decorative. Anyway, I think that's a really good thing to do, because growing grass underneath trees is daft, really. And I'm sure some people will say no, it's possible, and it is possible. If you kind of look around the open fields around here, you can see grass does grow underneath trees, but that's only because the trees are in kind of full light from every angle. There's no buildings or fences stopping the lights come in. So yeah, that's today's tip. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It's really encouraging for me to basically know that there's a few people that are listening. If you've got any thoughts on what I say, whether I'm saying the right things, the wrong things, then please do drop a little comment. And if you get a chance, check out my little playlist. One's called Garden Love and one's called Lawn Love, and there's a couple of others there, and I'm trying to put a daily video into each of them. Anyway, thanks very much. Ta-da, take care.